Hey Pushkal, how are you? I'm here in Estonia. Here there is the house where I experienced the dark retreat. I'm here in Estonia, and I remember when we met in our first dark retreat in Tao Garden with Jasmine. It was an amazing experience as well. And I appreciate your invitation to come in Nepal. It's my first time in Nepal, and we will do one day breathing workshop and also a 6-day pranic living retreat. I began my journey with pranic nourishment like in 2018 after practicing many years fasting, different kind of fasting, dry, liquids, water. And afterwards, I decided to step forward to go through Breatharianism because you cannot live on fasting, but you can live on prana. When I did my first experience, I did like the 21-day process, and after like a year, I start to facilitate groups to wake up this energy that everybody have. It's just a matter of trust and have faith that everybody can be fed by this energy that called prana. Chinese people call chi, Japanese ki, Greek people pneuma. Every culture named this kind of energy that generates everything. And then on October 23, we have our day workshop, and on day 29 of October 2020 we have the 6-day retreat. I'm so happy to be there with you and join this beautiful family that we will accompany in this journey. Thank you so much and see you soon.